What do you got there?
I have a free balloon princess.
Princess balloon?
Yeah.
Wow, you like it?
Yeah.
Did he say thank you, Mama?
Thank you, Mama.
What about you, Nick? What you got?
Mama. Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama.
You like balloons, Melanie?
Yeah. Go back here. Go back here. Go back here.